Negotiation is communication, especially when speaking about money. You see, when you say something like, it's gonna cost you 75,000 euros, that's like a big, ugly elephant in the room. So you wanna pack it with a sandwich of advantages, depending on the needs analysis, of course. So you'll say something like, you know, for our services from A to Z, perfectly fitting your needs, we wanna have 75,000 euros, and we can start immediately next month. Doesn't that sound better? The elephant is a little bit hidden in that sandwich. Now, I met this vintage watch seller once, and he would have the ability to play with his body and voice in addition to that. He would make himself big when he says the advantages, like, for this 1965 Rolex Submariner, only a few left in the world, you will pay 75,000 euros, and you'll be the only one in the country with that watch. And so, whenever it's an advantage, you make yourself big and your voice big, and whenever it's a price, you make yourself small. The opposite, by the way, for discounts. That's how you use your body and voice when stating prices and also discounts. Let's go.